Well, I'll head back down. See if I can't fly from a different spot before it gets dark. I don't know. I'm pretty exhausted. That was a major hike. I didn't even get over the trail. That's crazy. Man, I gotta get up here early one day to get over this thing. Almost 6 miles, 5.9 I think they said. I probably did like maybe a mile of it. I don't even think that. All of it in the beginning is uphill. I don't know what the rest of it looks like. Oh, it's this way. Probably won't even upload this audio, but I'm usually so quiet. I figured I switched it up on the way down. It's crazy how many different cactuses there are up here. But that's a cactus. We got those big giant cactus farms on the way down. I don't know what you call it, cactus field. It's on the side of a mountain, so it's not really a field. And look, that's badass. This thing's got a lot of water this year. It's dry as a bone already up here. You can't tell it was flooding here probably like a month ago, I think. Epic views though, man. Worth the hike. Anybody wondering? I'm off trail, by the way. So, let's see. I think I go this way. Yeah, and then down. Wait, let's see this way. Look. Damn. Yeah. Here we go. The descent. Not much traffic on this trail. Some of the other ones got it. at this park, but this one's only people that have passed me so far have been bikers. There are 4 of them, two separate pairs. I guess this is too long of a trail to head out on at like 2 or 3 in the afternoon when I got here, I think. It's like 4 now, I'm heading back down. The socks full of freaking foxtails. Alright. Well, there are some footprints. I didn't see any people. Maybe. Oh, there was some folks on bikes that were walking them. That makes sense. Alright, here's the start of the switchbacks. We're going to go all the way down through the cactus field farm. I don't know what it is. Somebody want to tell me? What do you call a ton of cactus on the side of a mountain? I keep expecting to see snakes, and I'm at the perfect snake time, so I'm going to be real quiet. Just pay attention. Don't mind me. I'm just walking the camera around. Alright, right in the thick of the cactus farm field. These cliffs, man. I wonder what this footage is going to look like when I pull it off this GoPro tonight. I did hook this thing up to my YouTube channel. I wonder if I could go live with this thing. Let's check that out sometime. I'm sure it'll look stupid as hell, but whatever. We all look stupid to everybody, right? Damn, this is pretty steep, guys. Just letting you know. I got a lot of weight on my back. In case anybody's wondering, I don't have the poodle. I had to take my car in for service today, and I don't want to put her through that torture. And then this too. That probably would have been a little bit much. She normally goes everywhere with me on the weekends when I can. And at night when I get off work, because some beautiful colors through here. I'm tripping over everything, even though I'm literally looking at the ground. This is ridiculous. Try picking my damn feet up. Got these, well, we're clean chucks on, but whatever. I'll wash them. Glad I wore the mid tops though, man. I would have been through if I had worn the low tops like I had planned. Never made it this far. Can't type hiking. I can't type I'm hiking. Hey, can you hear me? Shit. There we go. Can you hear me now? Yeah. Okay. Bye. Interesting. A trail is not a trail, huh? What is a trail that is not a trail? That is the ultimate question. So let's say you're on the trail that's not a trail. What path are you on? Oh shit. It's like 4D trails. That's what I'll call them when I see those things. Fourth dimension trails. The trail that's not a trail. The path that you're not on when you're on it. Okay, I'm gonna turn the GoPro off now because we were basically at the bottom of the ascent for the cliff trail thing. Can't remember what it was called at the bottom. Cayenne or something like that. I'll get a picture of it. This is the part where there's a bunch of weeds. Alright, see you guys in